Hello, all members of cosmetic gynecology. Have a nice day. Once again, we are ready to learn a new topic. First time in world, that is plasma device in cosmetic gynecology. This is not a routine device which is used in derma or in cosmetic product. It is specifically designed device used for gynecological part, for intimal part. We are just introduced in world first time. This is a principle for plasma device. Yes, let's start. So, plasma device in cosmetic gynecology. So, I just want to show you this slide that who we are. Laser Cosmetic Gynec Academy and Research Center, LCG, we are. Cosmetic, aesthetic, regenerative, reconstructive, functional, holistic gynecology is our motto. LCG is a transparent name in laser cosmetic gynecology. This is the Indian Cosmetic Aesthetic Gynecology Research Center with collaboration with Madhudeep IVF and Test to Baby Hospital. My name is Dr. GAURAV CHAVDA, and this lecture cannot be completed without the help of renowned senior Professor Dr. Alpa Chavda. So, behalf of LCG, I once again thank you very much, Dr. Alpa. Yes, and I am Dr. GAURAV Chavda. I have completed my MBBS from world known BJ Medical College, Asia's biggest medical college from Ahmedabad. I have completed my MS Obstetric Gynecology from NHL Medical College, Ahmedabad. I have completed MRCOG 1 London, UK, Royal College of Obstetric and Gynecology, and also I am LLB Medical Legal Expert. I have completed my fellowship in cosmetic gynecology from ICOG, a very well known college established in India, and also Foxy Fellow in laparoscopy and hysteroscopy. Everyone knows Dr. Alpa Chavda in the field of IVF and infertility and also in surrogacy. She is a well known gynecologist from India. She has completed his MBBS from NHL Medical College and also MS from same college. She has also completed MRCOG 1 London, UK, and is a fellow of Royal College of Obstetrics and Gynecology. She is a diplomate of grade of RCOG Germany embryology, fellowship in cosmetic gynecology, and Foxy Fellow in laparoscopy and hysteroscopy. First of all, congratulations all of you to join this cosmetic gynec course, or who first time just watch our this very well known series of cosmetic gynecology. So now 50% of your job is finished because you have selected 100% right direction in the cosmetic gynecology with choice of Madhudeep IVF and Test to Baby Hospital and with LCG. So, this institute is very well known. Since 2012 we are working in this field, and we are expert in the field of laser cosmetic gynecology and also regenerative and functional gynecology. So, we have been started this lecture series and workshop on laser in cosmetic gynecology and also all the part of laser. So, this is a course including more than 43 lecture, and also we are adding newer one. If you are interested, you just contact 9727994644. So, this is our WhatsApp and query number. This is write down here. You can just 9727994644 is our number. So, in this lecture series, it is a 1 year fellowship program in which we completed 43 lecture and this including laser, all you want to know until you satisfied in the field of only gynecology, RF device until you satisfied, HIFU devices, IFM devices, plasma device, carboxytherapy, commercial availability of the EBD devices, which are the different type of laser devices, and introduction of cosmetic gynecology, female genital anatomy in perspective to the cosmetic gynecology, and physiology and pathology of genital rejuvenation. Also physiology and pathology of vaginal tightening and SUI, laxity, Botox, vaginismus, vulvodynia and liver training syndrome, chemical peeling and whitening of private part, only specific for gynec purpose, and intimal part, thread in cosmetic gynecology, fillers for labia majora and minora and female genitalia, body sculpting and body contouring with the EBD, mommy's makeover, female sexuality and sexual dysfunction in female, regenerative medicine in the form of stem cell, PRP, etc., O shot, G shot, P shot, CAM shot, H shot, stem cell, exomers, surgical labioplasty, surgical hymenoplasty, surgical clitoral hood part, mons pubis surgery, P repair, perineoplasty, colporaphy, and infectious disease which are commonly affected, inflammatory disease of vulva and genitalia in routine OPD practice. So it is all things are practical and you can apply it in your day-to-day practice and become a famous and expert in the field of cosmetic gynecology. This is the first time attempt all over in world this online platform to provide you all necessary information in the field of laser cosmetic gynecology. Then how you can market, social media marketing for cosmetic gynecology, what is the medical legal aspect of the cosmetic gynecology, ethics in cosmetic gynecology, consent protocols, photography, how to set up cosmetic gynecology clinics, anti-aging, and in female body and genitalia, newer trend in cosmetic gynecology. We are every day try to like add on a new topic in this field, just introducing aesthetic part in the short hair removal and bikini spa. We are just only concerned to the specific laser in cosmetic. We will also introduce this lecture, history of cosmetic gynec laser. What is the history? Renowned laser cosmetic gynec in India and world doing cosmetic practices. So which are the expert person in senior in world and in Asia and in different part of the world, different society and organization for the cosmetic gynec laser in India and abroad. So we have completed more than 40 plus topics to be covered in depth. We always try to release every 15 days or every 20 days a new lecture with all detail, with cost, with brand name, with different machine, principle, contraindication, indication, side effect, and comparison between different machine. We are every time just want to come with a new lecture at every 15 to 20 days. And we also give some of the topic every weekly with PPT and video presentation, and also follow up on WhatsApp. We have given a 1 year access and 1 year mentorship. We also update any new thing if arrive in market up to the 1 year. For 1 year subscription it is 40,000, but for like expert like you, like who are you watching here, we are just give early birds 20 registration at the rate of the 30,000. Every month we are also discuss a Zoom live discussion for doubt solving. This all thing including in this workshop and fellowship, and we provide 1 year mentorship with all topics, like nothing will remain in this workshop. So please try to take a membership of this workshop. And this is the payment detail, our bank statement, our account number, and also PhonePe, Google Pay, and now we also added HDFC account also. So all thing from all over world with wire or anything you can also send to the money and be a part of this precious institute. Our number is 9727994644. So this is all detail regarding the Institute of LCG. So now let's go straight forward to the today's topic. It is a plasma device in cosmetic gynecology. To start with a plasma device, it is better to just learn and refresh our concept regarding the plasma. So, what is plasma? Plasma is the fourth state of a matter, means liquid, solid, gas and plasma. The principle is to ionize gases in the air to create a small electrical arc similar to the tiny lightning bolt, with which the areas affected by the aesthetic problems may be treated without unwanted damage to the surrounding area. The plasma causes instant contraction and tightening of the skin fibers, causing shortening and tightening of the skin fibers, thus resulting in the reduction of the skin surface. And with this, the final result is an improvement of the firmness and tension of the skin. So, lifting of the skin, this is called lifting effect. Since plasma energy affect the deeper dermal layers, the result is lifted contour, a decrease in deep wrinkle, thicker and firmer skin. Plasma promotes a new collagen protein which causes the original collagen proteins to strengthen the skin. So, these are all the basic things. It is ABCD of plasma. The local fibroblast stimulates the collagen formation by heating the dermis, and it then acts as a new deep foundation for the skin. This produces further delayed tightening, which only becomes evident slowly over the next few months. Basically, there are two types of plasma device are available in the market in the world. These are DC plasma device and AC plasma device, or you can say it is as a DC technology and AC technology. So, this is a very fundamental and very principal part of the plasma device. I know it is newer for any gynecologist. So, let us see what is the true type of plasma devices available. First is a direct current DC plasma medical device, and second is a AC current devices. So, there is a differentiation between these two type of devices. When we supposed to tell about the DC current, then it is the popularly known as a jet plasma lift medical device. It is a patented technology from Czech Republic, from Europe. It is a high voltage, spark beam spot is 0.1 millimeter, intelligent system with good intensity, and it is safe for control and sensor. This is for DC device, and for AC device the source for DC is constant, while like AC it is like dumbbell shape. So, voltage is lower, spark is like shower, here is a beam spark without any computer or intelligent system and without sensor. So, these are all the disadvantage. Now, let us see, when we use a DC device, sparks start at a 4 mm and above the skin. You can easily see the treated area, where area AC plasma device spark started only 1 millimeter above the skin. In DC device, very soft scanning of the sensitive areas around the eye and mouth also possible. Scanning method is not possible in case of AC plasma device. In DC device, many different type of applicators available, where area in case of AC plasma device only one type of plasma applicator device is available. So, now we straightforward jump onto the DC plasma device. In market, there is a jet plasma 2 HER. This is the patented name, jet JET PLASMA plasma device HER 2. This is the instrument is commercially available. It is a patented technology for next few years, and it is a depend on principle direct current plasma device. So, why it is more precious than other one? So, jet plasma is a patented technology. Only jet plasma use direct current electric plasma. All other devices using alternate current. There are many advantages of DC, especially for the non-invasive area, like in case of eye, for blepharoplasty and under the eye. I know you are just thinking that why we have to worried about the eye. This is a general principle of the plasma. Then we go specific area of the gynec parts. So, treatment including the jet plasma device. So, you can also scanning and also a small area you can treat properly. So, precision make this device safest in among all the device like laser, CO2, diode, Nd:YAG, or in case of RF, but this is the beautiful device innovated by DC current jet plasma HER2. It is very good. It offers best result and fast recovery. Believe me, it is the fastest one in the market, because you just apply on the private part like on vagina or vulva, and within 5 minutes you can see the result. So, recovery time is very fast. It provides the stability and very good recovery fastly. The direct current technology is patented by the jet. So, it allows two things: scanning and dotting of the skin area. So, there is a less downtime and a safe working under the very precious organ. Jet plasma is the most versatile and safe device on the world market and sold in over 68 countries. So, it is little bit like alien like things. It is newer, so you can't like believe or absorb or digest this material or device, but believe me friend, it is the best one among all laser devices in the cosmetic gynecology. Also easily available over 68 countries. When you are work with the jet plasma, you are working with a name both you and your client can trust. It is trusted brand. So, when I want supposed to tell you a trust, we are just believe on evidence or paper presentation or research. So, this is a beautiful paper presentation. It is Journal of Clinical Medicine. Article is treatment of vulvovaginal laxity by electroporation, the jet plasma medical for HER2 study. The study has been conducted in the Department of the Obstetric and Gynecology in the Prague in the Czech Republic. Also, different part of the Czech Republic in a polytechnical college, in agrochemistry department, in a medicine department, in obstetric department, and this all places they have conducted a big study with different respected doctors, mainly Thomas, Chivadar, Leona, Jane, Martin. These are a very famous doctor for the plasma. practice for different field. So this is the paper to ensure you that it is the best one among the laser devices. Now come to the commercial brand. The commercial brand is a jet plasma for HER2. This wall name is for one instrument, jet plasma for HER2, and the technology is a direct current plasma. So it is a very useful, available in the market with the jet plasma for HER2. It is intended to rejuvenation of the tissues in the vulvovaginal area to mitigate, treat or prevent the disease. So let's straightforward go to the jet plasma for HER2. Principle is direct current plasma. The principle is the device based on the physical principle of direct current performs membrane depolarization. First one, membrane depolarization, reversible electroporation and generate heat. So these three are very important to understand a mechanism. First is a membrane depolarization, second is a reversible electroporation, and third one is a generate the heat, which activates the formation of new collagen connective tissue that breaks down and replaces the old tissues. A stronger and more elastic fibrous structure is formed and tissue rejuvenation occurs. So that is the principle behind jet plasma 2 device. So this is three main terminology on which this machine is work: membrane depolarization, reversible electroporation, and leads to the generation of the heat. So lead to the collagen formation, elastin formation and fibrin production. The positive effect of this machine is caused by the combination of the heat, membrane depolarization and low threshold reversible electric poration. The passage of direct current DC current generates the heat, which activates the formation of a new collagen tissues, leading to a rejuvenation and stronger and more flexible tissue structure. Membrane depolarization and reversible electroporation reduces the barrier and enable easier passage of ion and molecule through the cell membrane. So ion can easily go inside the cell membrane. So immediately within a 5 to 10 minutes you can see the effect of the treatment. So now this is the photograph of machine which is provided by the company. What are the advantages of the jet plasma for HER2 device? It is safe, it is painless, comfortable, non-surgical, no need of anesthesia, no hormones, no scars, only 3 treatments with an interval of 10 to 14 days. So this is the best one among all the laser instrument. This is the device of jet plasma HER2. Now on machine, company provide this basic information in the form of this machine is certified medical device CE 1023, Institute for Testing and Certification. Pretended DC technology, simple handling and control, 8 intensities available, 3 types of applicators in a standard pack with you can use and throw different applicators, and the price is also very low for TVS probe. Safe, comfortable, painless treatment, short treatment type, non-surgical, non-hormone, no scar, no anesthesia, and important one, it is certified for gynecologist in the field of gynecology. So, this is a beautiful photograph of jet plasma for HER2 for vaginal rejuvenation and incontinence medical device. It is safe, painless, non-surgical treatment for the woman. So, I make my best try to show you this instrument from different angle. So, this is the first angle with a probe or applicator. This is different angle with a transvaginal sonography probe of this jet plasma HER2 machines probe for vaginal intravaginal rejuvenation. This one is for vulvar or mons pubis part or external part genitalia. You can just apply it over it. This is the first type. This is the transvaginal probe, and this is the another angle to show you how the machine is look. This is a different port, which type of power. You can also like save all the details of your studies, of your practice with different ports. So, as per company, their product, they claiming these are the 100% effective area, or these are the area where you can use this machine safely. Basically, this is useful to vulvovaginal laxity in case of insufficient vaginal moisture, burning and itching in the vaginal part of non-infective origin, stress, incontinence, sexual discomfort due to the vaginal dryness, in case of reduced tightness in vagina, and reduce elasticity and sensitivity. My dear friend, mind in your mind, this all are given by the company people. So, these are all effective area where you can use this device. So, this is a direct pamphlet from company claiming the area of use of the plasma device. So, now when there is indication, always there is the contraindication. When you use this type of electric current device which flow through the patient, and then for it is necessary to make sure that the following contraindication are always, you have to worried or be conscious that do not apply to the patient. When the patient has pacemaker or Holter ECG monitoring system, any another implanted electric device, patient has a history of epilepsy, pregnancy, metal implants in the treated area, skin diseases or inflammation in the treatment area, urinary tract infection, collagen vascular diseases, oncological disease in vulvovaginal region, patient in his menses or menstruation, any untreated badly treated disease in vulvovaginal area, or chronic or recurrent diseases. Now, I just want to show you different part of this machine. This machine is portable, small size, you can easily like transfer this machine to different clinic. It has a rechargeable battery. The power and voltage is this type. To like properly control the power, you have a foot switch. This is a plasma pen 3G for vulval laxity. It is a pen-like structure. It is a 20 electrodes, 5 packs of self adhesive certified electrodes. It is a G applicator like transvaginal probe, TVS probe. It is a flat applicator as the skin or eye area for the vulval laxity, and besides gynecological use, if you have a jet plasma too, you can easily use this instrument in non-gynecological area like benign vascular lesion, angioma, hemangioma, nevus capillaris, telangiectasia. This is all vascular benign lesion. Skin lesions like keratosis, verruca seborrheica, keratosis senilis, keratosis seborrhea, keratoma canthoma, fibroma and xanthelasma. These are the skin lesions. Then infectious lesions in the form of verruca plana, verruca vulgaris, condylomata acuminata, molluscum contagiosum. These all are infectious diseases. Pigment changes, hyperpigmentation in melasma, chloisma also you can beautifully applied, and you can see a very good result. In case of ophthalmology indication, blepharitis, stenosis, puncti lacrimalis, xanthelasma, trichiasis, distichiasis. These are all the ectropion, entropion. You can beside gynec. These are all the non-gynecological use of this machine. Here you can see a two type of probe, transvaginal probe and also vulvar laxity probe. So I have magnified this probe photograph, so you can easily see it is like TVS probe, and this is different curvature of the TVS probe. It is like very economical price you can purchase if you want to change this probe. So this is a introduction of different part. G applicator 30 mm for the vaginal rejuvenation. How you can apply it? The company provides this type of information. It give the plasma 3 mm per second for the 10 minutes. You have to just apply it for the 10 minutes. The therapeutic effects are achieved by the means of direct microcurrent which performs thermal stimulation, membrane depolarization and reversible electroporation. This is a 10 mm flat applicator for vulval rejuvenation. So it is a flat applicator, same as a eye applicator. This is the flat applicator. Now I just want to first explain how to use this with a photograph, and then I will try to show you one beautiful video to, like, within 2 minutes you can understand all the mechanism and how to you can use in your daily practice. So this is a laxity of the vulva and vaginal part. First, on the vulval part you have to just apply a conductive gel, then you have to like rub softly with a 10 mm vulval probe for 10 minutes. A different part of vulval opening and vaginal orifice you can just rub it for 10 minutes with a ultrasound like gel, conductive gel. This is a after effect of the vulval rejuvenations without surgical procedures. So that is the beautifully we can see the effect of this. Now you can see this is a video of how to apply this machine in cosmetic gynecology. So you just applied a conductive gel on the transvaginal probe 20 mm, introduce inside the vaginal canal for 10 minutes. The depth is 3 millimeter for 10 minutes. It creates a plasma condition and membrane repolarization. So different ion can go inside in it. Now you have to rotate, go the posterior surface of the vagina. So the therapeutic effect are achieved by the means of these three mechanism: thermal stimulation, membrane depolarization and reversible electric poration. Now this is the flat applicator 10 mm for the vulval rejuvenation. You have to apply a non-conductive gel. You have to just apply this 10 mm flat applicator on the vulval area. Simply you have to just rub on it. Result is amazing and magical and immediate result you can see. So you can see after rubbing there is a tightness of the vaginal opening and vulval opening. So this is a beautiful representation with the help of video. You can just appreciate this video. It is a Z technology. So okay. So during this procedure, this applicator is like transvaginal ultrasound. So you, if you are doing a transsonography, it is easy for you to introduce a probe. Now the main part, as an Indian or Asian or world cosmetic gynecologist, what is the price of this instrument? As during IMCA conference and during different part of the aesthetic cosmetic conference, they have just introduced a price part. It is between 25 lakhs to 35 lakhs, and if you are purchased with a good number of cosmetic gynecologists, they also give a very handsome amount of the discount. So about 25 lakhs, up to 25 lakhs you can purchase this instrument, and the cost of this disposable probe are also 15,000 to 17,000. So you can use as much time as you can up till the probe is like you have to like thrown away. So thank you so much for patience hearing. So this is all about the plasma device, and I just want to clarify you that among all the laser devices or energy based devices, I think this is the best one, because as per my knowledge, since 2012, some instruments are good, but they cannot portable. Their weight is too, and the machine or any cover to portability of this machine is very difficult. Second thing, the effect is highest for vaginal part with this machine. Third one is the cost. Cost is lowest among all the instrument. Fourth one, disposable part are only about 15 to 17,000 and you can use after proper like antiseptic precaution, you can use different patient. And last one, it is like amazing machine to for vaginal laxity, SUI, vulval rejuvenations and some of the like tightening of the and sensuality, sensitivity of the private parts. So, as per my knowledge, price, portability, you can use single machine in different hospital or like group of people combine, doctors combine and they can purchase with sharing base easily. No any disposable that much charge, you can use as much as possible. And last one, it is the very handy. So, and the result is best one among all the instrument. When I am telling all the instrument include CO2 laser, diode laser, ND-YAG laser, radio frequency device, cost is more than 80 lakhs. Electromagnetic device is different topic, but among all this the price and the result and immediate effect is based by this instrument. So, I always like this machine and I always recommended to purchase this machine for their practice. So, this is the beauty of this machine and like less side effect or no side effect. There is no burning, no heating, no scarring, no fibrosis, no any major problem, except if you have any medical problem like you have any inside any specific problem, then only you have to suffer. Otherwise, this is the best without side effect. You can use this beautiful machine. So, this is the end of plasma device in cosmetic gynecology. As per my knowledge, we are the first one in aesthetic cosmetic gynecology to introduce or to like teach you this device, their principle, their mechanism, their indication, their price and the comparison between different machine as per portability, weight, cost, disposable price. So, this is the all about you and please join our this 1 year mentorship program. If you want to join this, you can just contact on 9727994644. This is the contact number and also WhatsApp number. For 1 year mentorship, our registration fee is 40,000, but like intelligent guy like you, for first 20 cosmetic gynecologist, we just provide at 10,000 a very good discount and we offer this course as 30,000 rupees. So, this is all about all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.